Bonk is about to skyrocket to the upside with the year performance 5,730,000% to the upside among others like Pepe and Flocky right here. And if you look at the price, market is at this very level of support after a significant decline to the downside, and I believe from here is going to skyrocket to the upside, and I'm going to go deep down into the reason why I believe from here market is going to skyrocket to the upside and the reason why you need to get this into your portfolio. I have been holding Bonk since last year, so even though the price have dropped significantly from here to the downside, I am still in good profit, and that is why I always say getting into this meme token early before they make massive move to the upside is very important. That is the only way you can get massive return on this meme token, especially when you've done your research and your research apply. And also Bitcoin is at a critical zone. I'll be dive right into all of this in details, so watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about cryptocurrency day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. So if you look at the year performance of Bonk have done this number of percent, and looking at CoinMarketCap right now, the market price is 0.40218 and at number 58 position on market capitalization with $1.49 billion in capitalization right here, which is also very significant. Okay, and if you look at the secondary supply, this is not that big but significant, 68.16 trillion already in circulation, and it is running on the Solana blockchain. As a matter of fact, Bonk is among the top 2 meme token on the Solana blockchain that has performed very well in the last few months, and you can see it right here. It is also on top of the list. I believe this meme token is going to do very well, and the best time to buy is right now into your portfolio for the next pump to the upside. So Bonk, I believe, is going to skyrocket from here to the upside. If you look at the performance and what the RSI is showing us right now on the chart, it is covered. The RSI is at this very point, which is the same level where the RSI was at this very area. That is where it is right now, about to make that significant pump to the upside. So from here we see a significant pump to the upside from this very level of the RSI. Bonk begin to pump all the way to the upside, and if you look at this very area as well, from here this was the same area as well where the market was in the past, and this very point market begin to pump as well, skyrocket so hard to the upside to this very point of 0.40478, and then begin to come back to the downside. So if you look at what we are seeing right now, from here market drop all the way to the downside, and at this very point from history market has been skyrocketing from this very area to the upside, and that is exact same thing I am expecting again on Bonk. So it is the best time to buy right now into your portfolio. I have already bought since last year, like I said, and already a massive profit, and from this very zone market is going to move to the upside. So I believe if you want to buy from here is the best place to buy after this drastic decline to the downside. Not only on Bonk, this decline is happening right now across all meme and altcoins, and market is going to move from here to the upside. And worst case scenario, which is a possibility that you should always expect when you are trading coins, is there is a possibility of market coming back to the downside. And I believe this very level of support is a critical support that will hold the market for the market to begin to move to the upside as well. So pay attention to this very level of support. That means if we did not see the market skyrocket from this very area to the upside, we're going to see the market come back right to the downside into this very area of support, and then from here we're going to see the market begin to move to the upside gradually. So I am expecting this move to happen within 1 month. Okay, so I'm looking at maximum 1 month from now till ending of July. Market should begin to have a recovery and begin to pump to the upside. So what you do right now is not to wait for the pump to happen. You have to buy right now when the pump have not happened, because you may not be on chart to see when that very pump is going to take place, and it can be very aggressive, just like we've seen in the past. Right here, market begin to move to the upside, and also from this very area. So what you have to do right now is to get some bonk for that very move, because I believe from here it's going to skyrocket. So like I always say, you dollar cost average when you want to trade this meme token. So for example, if you want to buy right now and you want to use, let's say $1,000 or $500 to buy, you buy with 50%, okay? And if market come back to the downside, you buy more with the rest 50% into critical zone. And this very area is the first point to buy, and this very area is the second zone, to buy from for that very move to happen in the market. So this is what I am expecting right now. Another key thing on this very chart is this very level of important resistance. We have a resistance right here and resistance right here, which fit into this very zone of resistance and this very zone of resistance. What this means is, if you are buying 50% at this very point and then market move upward and go above this very level of resistance, that means the market have high capacity of continuing this very movement to the upside. What that also means is you buy the remaining 50% after we see the market cross above this very level of resistance. And if markets go down into this very level of important support, you buy also with the rest 50% dollar cost average in your position. With this, it will make you be in a safer trade, and you also run into massive profits very, very easily. So this is very, very important right now on the chart. On Bonk, I believe strongly that the market is going to skyrocket from where it is right now, or we're going to see the market come back down a little bit into this very area and begin to move drastically to the upside in the next 1 month from now, that is before the ending of July. This is my own personal opinion, and this is what I have done in the past with what you can see right here from history, by market moving to the upside after the RSI have come into this very level, slightly above the 30% level of the oversold condition. So this is very important. I know that the market have not really entered into oversold condition. As you can see from the past history, market did not really enter into oversold condition before we see this very movement to the upside right here on Bonk. And this is what I am expecting to happen also for this market to begin to skyrocket to the upside. And if you look at Bitcoin right now, like I said, this is a very dangerous zone for Bitcoin. And importantly, the RSI is also giving us a sign, and I'm going to show you something very important. So keep watching the video to the very end. From here, like I said, I am expecting a little bit of downward momentum from the bears to the downside, like a downward momentum from here, and then we begin to see markets recovery to the upside in the next 2 weeks. That is my own personal expectation, and the possibility of market breaking this very level of important support is also there. And if we break this level of important support, the next point is this very area of $56,000, where the market moved from after a drop to the downside, which is very critical on the chart as well. So from here, expect a down momentum from the bears, and the bulls will slightly begin to stabilize the market from this very area before we see that move to the upside. And one other scenario that you need to pay attention to, which is also a possibility on the chart right now, is if you look at the RSI, it is covered that when the RSI enter into oversold condition from this very area, markets begin to move upward a little bit and then come back to the downside. So from this very point, market move, come back down a little bit before the next move to the upside, which was very aggressive from this very area of $25,000. So after here, markets have a reduced momentum from the bears, and then that very movement to the upside. If you notice on the RSI, market have not entered into the oversold condition after this movement out of the oversold condition. where we have this very area in August 2023. And if you look at it, this is the only time the market is entering into oversold condition again, which is also very, very critical on the chart right now. I know not so many person is talking about this on YouTube, but if you look at this very area, market have entered into oversold condition with the default setting on the RSI position. From here, like I said, I believe strongly, and this is a personal opinion from my own technical bias, I believe from here market is going to have a reduced momentum to the downside. So possibly on the RSI right here, we can see a movement to the upside and the market come back down a little bit before we can see that very move to the upside. But the most important thing right on the Bitcoin price chart is for you to expect that move to happen very, very soon, just like what we've seen in the previous history on Bitcoin price chart. So from here, expect reduced momentum, and then the RSI from this very area of oversold condition will begin to move to the upside gradually with reduced momentum to the downside. Then the bulls are going to take control of the market to the upside. So this is very, very important right now, and a critical thing you need to pay attention to on Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin started moving right now, definitely every other altcoin is going to begin to move with it to the upside. There is also a possibility of market breaking this very level. So from the price chart, one critical important support level, which is also a resistance together, they need to pay attention to is this very area right here. So this level of $52,000 and this very area of $50,000 is very important on the chart right now. Okay, so from here, expect the market to come back down if we see a breakout on this level of $56,000. What that means is if the market come back right down from here and enter this very area, because this is a possibility, and break this level of $56,000, the next level of support that we will see in the market is this very zone before the market will begin to move to the upside. This is a possibility, but this is not what I am expecting right now, guys. I am not expecting the market to go deep down into the $50,000 and $52,000 level, which is a possibility. But what I am saying is, in my own opinion, I believe the market is going to come down a little bit and then reduce momentum, and then the bulls are going to take control of the market and market will begin to move to the upside. Especially, we should see this reduced momentum happen in the next 2 weeks from now. So this is very important right now, because if Bitcoin started moving right now, every other altcoin is beginning to move as well. So one important thing in today's video is Bonk. Okay, so Bonk price is looking so nice for the next movement to the upside, and like I said earlier, is going to skyrocket to the upside, and that skyrocketing is going to happen in the next 1 month max. And this is the best time for you to get this into your portfolio, because the goal here is to make all of us very, very profitable, especially in this very bull market. Stay tuned to other updates on the channel. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, and other crypto platforms, there is a link in the description of this very video, and when you use that link, you claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.